Hello out there to you. We've got an AP practice question for the AP micro exam. Some data, okay, and we're going to think about what this firm should do to maximize profits. So it's saying you're a consultant for a monopolist. What that means, we use that term a lot on the test. It just means a firm that has some kind of monopoly power, or a firm that doesn't have much competition so that it has control of the market and it is able to pick its own price. Collected the following data from the current situation for this firm. We've got total revenue. So I'm going to type up some relevant formulas that you need to memorize for your class. So total revenue comes from price times quantity. Revenue is the money we put into the cash register. So we got that from this number from multiplying this times the price. Okay. So in this case, it looks like the price had to have been 10 because if I say 5,000 here is equal to P times 500, and then just divide both sides by 500, P is equal to 10. So the price for this firm is 10. Then what do we got? Total cost right here, and then we're told that average total cost is at its minimum. So that's probably the next formula we need to think about. What is average total cost? So average total cost is going to be equal to total cost divided by quantity. So in this case, our average total cost is going to be 4,000 divided by 500, which is 8. Okay, so our average total cost is $8, okay, at this level of production. Now they're also telling us that average total cost is at its minimum. So that means that marginal cost equals average total cost at that point. So it says, what should the firm do to maximize its profit? So we know, because we know that the average total cost is 8. We know that this is 8, so then marginal cost has to equal 8 as well. So anytime you see maximize profits, we pretty much know that what they're asking about is we want to find the quantity where MR equals MC. You'll see that over and over and over again. You can think of it like your microeconomics tattoo. That's what we're solving for. So currently, we know that marginal cost is 8, and we know that marginal revenue is 5. These do not equal each other. So I want marginal costs to fall, and I want marginal revenue to increase. Okay, and so we do that graphically by producing less quantity. So I want to cut back on quantity so that MR equals MC. Now, without the demand function, you can't really say what the specific quantity is. So the show your work aspect of it is really just this. We want to produce less products, and by producing less products, we can then increase our price, because with a monopoly is going to look like this. Here's our demand. Here's our marginal revenue. So if we raise the price, we're going to sell a lower quantity, and that's going to increase. It's going to be producing at a higher spot on our marginal revenue curve as well. So we want to produce less is the answer. The way we get it, all of that is sort of manipulate these other formulas here.